Alright, welcome to this brief tutorial on how to earn passive income on Bitget. How your crypto can be earning interest for you, very important in case you don't want to risk or trade your crypto. And one of the best ways to earn passive income or make your crypto work for you and earn more money for you is by staking or saving of stable coins like USDT. I'm going to use USDT as a case study as an example, but you can also stake or save other coins or other crypto depending on what you want to do. And as it's giving you interest, also when it pumps or the price rises, you now have double profit. So as you can see my Bitget page, you can click on more. So click on more, you will now see assets, tools, popular, rewards, and trading, assets, blah blah blah. But you now click on N. If you can see the N, you click the N. As I click it now to bring out, for instance, it says N, savings, on-chain elite, on-chain N, dual investment, and so on and so forth. But let's start with the simplest one. You click on the N, the first one, below the N. You now see N. You now see recommendations: buy Ethereum low, USDT 3% to 8% APR, and so forth and so on. Then you come to relay, you scroll up and see BGB coin will give you 1.5 to 15%, USDT 3% to 20%. Then there's another thing: if you're a new user, you will discover that you have more interest as you save or stake these coins. So this one is guaranteed. Then there are other coins you can click on: high yield. High yield, they now show you BGBDC 2.50%, Solana 6.92%, BGUSD 5%. Then there is also, I will explain later, dual investment, where you can have dual investment: BGB number 1, 5 to 222%, USDT 1%, 400 and ETC, BTC, Ethereum, and so on and so. This is high yield. There's also structured: invest USDT 6% to 20%, invest BTC 2% to 20%, invest Ethereum 2%, 2.50%, and so on and so forth. This is also where you see the number of cryptos that you can use for dual investment, which I will explain later. So let's go to the normal N, simple N. Now I want to do simple N. First one here, you click it, simple N. Under simple N, you have all the coins, you now see the coins you can stake or save. Like we are in savings now. What is saving? Principal and profit guaranteed. Subscribe and unlock anytime. What is savings? It's telling you both the principal, your original crypto, and the profit, the interest they'll be giving you is guaranteed. You can subscribe and unlock anytime. It's now showing you all the coins you can save: BGB, USDT, VIP is for some people that have met some criteria. Core room 1%, BGB 1.50 to 2%, USDT 3.8 to 8%, and this is API, which is per year. Or you can do it 1 month, 2 months, and you calculate it and still give interest. BTC 0.9 to 1.220. Also VIP BTC 1.1%, Ethereum 1. Solana, as you scroll down, you see different coins, different interest. Solana is from 3.64 to 3.80. Other coin only 1%. SAUT 1%, just like that. You keep scrolling. Anyone you like, you can choose. But remember, as you're choosing the coin also is always fluctuating depending on when you want to withdraw. So the best wisdom is any coin you choose, no matter the percentage and the time you bought it, you make sure you wait for the time when the coin has pumped or has given you profit, excluding the interest. so that you'll be cashing out, you'll be selling the coin on double gain. The interest they give you plus the coin have also appreciated. You don't sell when the coin is on red or when the coin is on minus. You make sure the time you bought the coin and the time you want to stop the savings and withdraw your money or convert it to USDT is the time the coin have appreciated, especially if it is not stable coin. But if it is USDC, which is called stable coin, this one now USDT, stable coin like USDT, you can withdraw anytime, provided your currency, Naira, is always, the value of USDT, the dollar value is much more than Naira. You will still be on profit with the interest. So I think, let me just see, this USDC have 8%. The percentage is bigger than USDT. So let's save it as practical. Let me check USDT again. USDT is mainly okay from 3.6 to 8.67. That is the savings. Okay. So before you choose any coin, you put it, or when you choose any coin, you can now put it flexible or fixed. What is flexible? Let me use USDC. Since we have USDC here, for example, I select USDT, 3% to this thing. Then you will see flexible 8.56% maximum. Flexible. But if I wanted to use fixed, flexible means I can, any day I decide I need my USDT, I remove it from savings and withdraw it or sell it, convert it to my local currency Naira. That's flexible. But if I want to do fixed, you click fixed. Then under fixed is only 4%. You see the difference. Flexible, they will give you to 8%, but fixed is only 4% to 4.30%. And that fixed USDT here is VIP. And I think new users can also fix USDT. Let me check whether we can fix. I'm not in VIP. I don't think we can do that. But let's see what happens. See, becoming a VIP user, excluding savings products with high APR. VIP exclusive structured products for more passive income. Priority access to APR voucher. And incentive through VIP exclusive promotion. View more VIP perks. Upgrade to VIP. So I can upgrade to VIP, then meet their standard. I can now do this one. If not, just close it. I'm not a VIP yet. Now, that is 14 days of saving with 4.30%, which is very good. Then 7 days also. 7 days is 4% interest on your USDT. That means as a VIP, if I deposit 100 USDT now and save it, that means I'm getting 104 in 1 year. Then they calculate it within that 7 days, and as profit can reach at least 101, 102 USDT added without doing it, without trading. So because it is savings, but it's much better than putting local currency in a bank. And let me see if there's USDC. Okay, USDC, which is the same value of USDT. Let me see if I want to fix it. To fix it, I have to convert my USDT to USDC first. Then I fix it. Okay, this one is not for VIP, it's for everybody. Then when you fix the amount, 14 days is giving us 8.40 interest. See it, 8.40 interest of USDC. Then 7 days, 8.20. Then flexible. Flexible means anytime you need your crypto, you convert it back to your local currency, you can withdraw. Flexible. But this other 7 days is fixed. You will never withdraw it until 7 days. This 14 days is fixed. Never withdraw it till 14 days. So it will remain there. After the 7 days expire, 14 days, but you can now need your money. So you choose the one you want to do. So let's go back to normal savings, flexible savings, and let's use USDT. This one is not VIP now. 3.56% to 8.56%. You click there. Flexible. So it's flexible. You put maximum of the USDT you want to save. As you click maximum, the move on 4.4 USDT. Then timeline starts from tomorrow. As a new user, they will even you get more. But let me do it. You click subscribe. So you click subscribe. You say confirm that you have read and agreed to the simple end product agreement. Confirm 4.40 the whole USDT. You're saving it for flexible interest, not fixed. You see it as still good. Success flexible savings. You know. Now automatic subscription not enabled. If you want to be subscribing automatically, you can APR not use APR voucher. Okay, voucher now use interest coin USDT. So it has gone. I have now successfully saved it for the interest. So it will remain in your wallet until the day you need. And remember to start counting from tomorrow. Your USDT is now earning passive income. So I don't want to make this video very long. So thanks for watching. Any question you can ask, this is how to save crypto to be giving you money without trading, without risk. Anytime you need it, either flexible, you withdraw it, or fixed, you now withdraw it. But remember, USDT its dollar values have more value than Naira or your local currency, most of them. But thanks for watching. So these are the steps.